Hello! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch Pro 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or the power button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. And this is the theater mode icon, or on this watch it's called cinema mode. So it's called differently, but it's basically the same thing. So if you want to enable this mode, tap on the icon. As you can see here, we have it, turn on cinema mode, and then scroll down and tap on the check mark to turn it on. And what it does is basically it turns off your screen, it disables the auto wake up feature, so your screen won't wake up if when you raise your wrist or tap on it. You will need to press the button to wake it up. Also disables all notifications or sounds basically on your watch. So basically won't anything, or rather nothing will bother you during the movie or something else. And if you want to disable this mode, simply wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons, open the quick panel again. As you can see, if the mode is enabled on the watch face, you will see the icon right here at the top, and the icon on the quick panel will be highlighted. So that's how you can tell that the mode is enabled. And to disable it, simply tap on the icon again, and it's gonna turn gray again. You will see cinema mode off message, and also the one from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.